Here is my sister's stalls. There are beautiful earrings here. And look at all these pieces. Oh wow, I love these. Yeah, look at that. Here are the bags. Gabby's busy making her earrings. Wow, lovely t-shirts. All the cards are here. If you want some Niue cards, you know, like no one has cards like this. This is the only place where you will. I'm talking to my video. It's the only place you will find these cards here. Look at this. Niue printed. Niue on them. Niue. It's beautiful here. Everything is so beautiful here. Oh my God, that's my. Anyway, this is my sister and Gabby's store. And look at the sea of people. If you want to come down today, come down and see this. The performances will be on all day today. Oh, excuse me, so sorry. Oh, look at all the canoes. Hey, Vaka. Beautiful. Look at all that. Hello. Lovely. Look at all this. Man. Hey, there you are, all by your lonesome. And this is my sister-in-law's store. And all the earrings. Hey, look at all this. Oh, there. Hello. How are you today? Oh, hello. Do I know you? Oh, beautiful. It's a nice spot, eh? From last beautiful spot. Hey, did you get here all right, babe? It's the only place. Yeah, but it's good, eh? Good walk. We walked further than you, though. We'll let you have that part. Yeah. We walked further down. Hi, Kaya. How are you? How are you? How are you, Kaya? How are you, Kaya? How are you? She's cute, eh? She's cute. Where's Brie? Yeah. So I take a photo. This is up. Yes. No, I'm not. I'm going around doing the stalls hunt. Go find a spot where you want to settle us down. Find a spot for us. And this is my creative hut. Oh, wow. Lovely. Hi, darling. How's it going? Oh, wonderful. Perfect spot to be at, isn't it? I love it. It's beautiful. So everything is different. You've got different things here. Earrings. Yeah, that's the way to go. Look at these beautiful earrings. Well, come on down here to Pasifika and then you'll see all these lovely things here today. That's it. Nice, Geraldine. Nice. Hi, how are you? Good. My creative art. See, that's the name of this. My creative art. You're welcome, darling.
Let's go see